Nigeria Anti-Corruption Police, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC has told a federal high court sitting in Abuja that the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, is on international red alert or on the watch lists of security operatives abroad, and if left to travel abroad for medical treatment, he could be arrested like the way and manner a Nigerian social media influencer and United States, U.S. convicted fraudster, Ramon Abba aka Hushpuppi, was arrested, adding, the charges against the ex-governor are connected to buildings he allegedly owned in Dubai and bank transactions in the US and United Kingdom, UK, praying the court to order Yahaya Bello to undergo the medical treatment in the ultra-modern hospital the ex-governor had boasted he built in Kogi State. Details of the report are presented verbatim below as made available by the Public Relations Unit of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Thursday. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Thursday, June 27, 2025, opposed an application filed by former Kogi State Governor, Yahaya Bello, seeking leave of court to travel abroad for medical treatment. The application was presented before Justice Emeka N. White of the Federal High Court, Maitama, Abuja, during the resumed hearing of Bello's alleged 80.2 billion naira's money laundering trial. His counsel, J. B. Daudu, San, urged the court to consider the defendant's health condition as paramount and to grant him permission to travel. Daudu informed the court that the application was brought pursuant to Section 173(2) of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ACJA, and under the court's inherent jurisdiction. He said the application was backed by a 22-paragraph affidavit deposed to by the defendant himself, including annexures such as a medical report and a letter from a consultant cardiologist. He further argued that Bello had not traveled outside Nigeria in over 8 years and now required urgent medical attention which, according to him, cannot be provided even in the hospital he built. The subject of this application is the release of his passport, which was surrendered as part of his bail conditions. What should be considered is not whether there are alternatives in Nigeria but whether the defendant poses a flight risk, he said. He also claimed that the defendant has no criminal record abroad and may not pose a flight risk. He has no criminal record in those countries. The defendant is not a flight risk and will return before the end of August. My lord can even specify a return date, he said. However, prosecuting counsel, Kemi Pinheiro, San, strongly objected